This is how Sebastian Vettel drives Formula 1 too.
Hey yo, it's me Sebastian Vettel who comments on my start and the European Grand Premio here in Valencia. Yes, I'm number 2. No, I'm number 3. Now I'm number 2. Oh, I caught the corner at the start. Well, here we have Massa. Oh, and there was Hamilton. But he deserved that because he questioned to someone all the time. Well, Petrov is just behind me now. I've used all my curls at the start. Stupid me. Well, now we are on the first long straight. And I think Petrov soon is gonna overtake me. But the Red Bull have Sturrenz, and I'm gonna use it on the long straight. Also the speed, of course. Stupid me again. I'm driving wrong. Look at this. I have so many cars behind me now. Stupid me. Again. Now it's Button who is number 4. Oh, and there was a bomb. I think I hit someone. But I can't look back because then I drive wrong. Again. But Button is still number 4. No, now it's a Weber. But now Sebastian Vettel, stupid me again, corner cutting. And now now I'm number 3 in this race. Fantastic for me, Sebastian Vettel. So now you know how Sebastian Vettel drives Formula 1 too.